Niggas, all you wanna do is fuck. You need to get your money up. And if you and me don't agree, then one of us is getting punked. Then all of my friends are getting crunk, and they've been getting drunk. So somebody's getting jumped, and the flame will get low before it gets hottest. You gon' see the money, we can divide this. Hottest bitch in the game, look at my chain. You can throw a hell of water, it won't put out my flame. And you can't see me, you don't get the resolution. Getting back for all the times you were winning, I was losing. Yeah. Sneak peek, yeah. Happy Halloween,